experience.
A big tip here is to read the job description and look at the language it uses. Writing a resume for a specific job description takes a little bit of effort, but it can really help your application stand out. You can even bold and italicize keywords related to the job description to highlight your relevant skills and experience. It's important to focus on the results and impact of your work, so list metrics and examples concisely rather than writing long descriptions. Use data and comparisons or averages to provide context. We value data at Google and want to see you know how to apply it when speaking to your accomplishments. If you're applying for technical or engineering roles, be sure to include the programming language you used in bold for each project you include.
To ensure you focus on results and impact in this section, we recommend using this helpful framework. Accomplish X as measured by Y by doing Z. Let's walk through a few examples for